So now that we are zoomed in and I look like a crazy monster, we're just going to go into it. Okay. So we're going to take the Kathleenlights Dream Street palette. I know I already said this in the intro, but this is what the palette looks like. It's absolutely stunning. I'm going to be doing a very, very easy, simple tutorial today on this. So let's just dive right in. I'm going to take this peachy shade right here called Magical, and I'm just going to run this through my crease. And this palette does not have a mirror on it, just for anyone who was wanting to know, there is no mirror. Also, say hello to my little friend right here. Not my friend. We're not friends. Next, I'm going to go into this shade right here called Shooting Star. And I'm just going to run this through my crease as well. Okay, next I'm going to go into this shade right here called Potion. And I'm going to take a flat shader brush with this, and I'm just going to pack this color over my entire eye. So first I'm going to pack it on the center of the eye and then work my way towards the outer V. And then with whatever's left on my brush, I'll bring that on the inner corner. Now this step takes a little while because I do want this color to be built up and pretty pigmented, so I will go in a few times to do this just to make sure that the pigment is there. So I just repeat the exact same step, and I'm not trying to bring this color too far up into the crease. I just want to keep it basically on the lid. Okay, after about 2 times I'm going to move on to the other eye and then do the exact same thing. So pack it on in the middle, bring it to the outer V, and then go into the inner corner. Okay, and now once I have that packed on my lid and it looks very harsh and not how we're going to wear it, I'm going to go back into a brush and I'm going to take the color Shooting Star again, just that brown, that second transition shade we used, on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to start blending this out slowly, just blending in the crease because I don't want the eyeshadow, I don't want the lid color to fade as much. See, when I'm blending it away, or when I'm trying to blend it out, most of the dark pigmentation of the eyeshadow does blend away, but that's okay because we can go back in and build it up again. Go back into the Magical color right here, and I'm gonna run this back through my crease just to try and bring that peachiness back to the look. Then I'm just going to go back into the Potion shade again, and I'm going to try and build this up a little bit more on my lid, keeping it closer to the lash line this time instead of bringing it up higher. Okay, now I'm going to go into this shade right here, and I'm just going to work this color on the outer V of my eye, slowly building it up. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back in with the blending brush and blend that color in the crease so that it's not super harsh. And again, one last time, I'm going to go back into the Potion shade, and I'm going to just build it up again on my eyelid, just so that color is pretty prominent. Just focusing on the center and more of the inner eyelid this time. We're going to clean this up just a little bit. Alright, we're going to come back to this palette when I finish the rest of my face. I will put a list of the products that I'm using down below, and I will show you everything I'm putting on my face, and then we'll come back to the eyes. Okay, so the rest of my face is done now, and I'm just going to zoom you guys back in, and we're going to finish off the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the Dream Street palette, and I'm going to take these 2 shades right here. Again, this is Shooting Star and Magical. Run these through the bottom lash line, just mixing them together. So after I do that, I'm just going to take the shade Potion again, and I'm going to run this through the bottom lash line. And I'm not being super precise, I'm actually being pretty messy with it. Okay, lastly, I'm going to go into the shade Moony again, and I'm going to focus this on the outer corner. Then I'm going to take my favorite shade from the palette, which is this one right here called Kaleidoscope. And I'm just going to take this shade and pop it on my brow bone. It's very intense, and that's what I love about it. And then I'm also going to take it and put it in the inner corner. Okay, and then I'm going to go into some eyeliner, and we're going to do a wing today. Today I'm just using the Limelight by Alcone Perfect Eyeliner Pen. This was given to me by my grandmother for Christmas, so, and I actually really like it. It's a really good eyeliner pen, so I'm just going to make a wing. Pray for me. Okay, so I like more of a subtle wing, and I guess today a subtle wing was not in my favor. I'm going to clean this up really quick, and then we'll be right back. And the last step I have today is to put on some mascara, so I'm just going to go in with the Essence Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara. I think this is a really good mascara. I've been really enjoying it recently. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is just one of my favorite looks to wear using the Dreamy Street palette by Kathleenlights. I love this palette. It is so amazing. There are so many different looks you can make, but I just wanted to do this one for you guys today. If you have any other suggestions using this palette, just let me know. If you want me to do like a blue or like a natural or like a pink, any ideas that you have, just leave them down below for me. I will put everything that I used on my face today down below as well, so you can know. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I can't thank you guys enough. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I put out new videos every week. Hopefully Monday, Friday are my days, and yeah, we'll just see how that works along with my college schedule. So yeah, guys, I hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are and whatever time it is, and again, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!